Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Muhammad Rafiq, Professor of Mathematics at Namal University, Miyawali. Are you passionate about solving problems, discovering patterns, and building a successful career in science, technology, finance, data analytics, or research? Then BS Mathematics program at Namal University is an excellent choice for you. At Namal University, our mathematics program provides a strong foundation in pure and applied mathematics, mathematical modeling, data analysis, and scientific research. At Namal University, we have very highly qualified faculty members, including top 2% scientists as well. What makes Namal special is its world-class academic environment, state-of-the-art facilities, merit as well as need-based scholarships, and a culture that promotes innovation, leadership, and personal growth. I warmly invite talented students across the Pakistan to join BS Mathematics program at Namal University and become part of a vibrant academic community dedicated to excellence. Thank you, and I look forward to welcome you at Namal University, Miyawali.